Fear free English Club.
Someone asks you, how did you sleep? And your brain just stops. Today, you'll learn exactly what to say when you're tired, when you slept great, or when you couldn't fall asleep. Simple phrases, real conversations. Let's go.
Welcome to Fear Free English Club. I'm Rachel.
And I'm Ben. This is the podcast where you learn what to say when your brain stops working. Real English, real situations, no stress.
Every episode, we give you phrases you can use immediately. Phrases that sound natural. Phrases that help you speak without freezing.
And I'm here to make all the mistakes so you don't have to. Well, actually, so you see that mistakes are okay. Speaking of mistakes, Rachel, I have to tell you what happened last week. Monday morning at work, my coworker Sarah walks up to me and says, "Hey Ben, you look tired. Did you sleep okay?"
Simple question.
Very simple, and I completely froze. I knew I was tired, but I couldn't find the words. I just stood there, and then I said, "Sleep was not so much."
Sleep was not so much?
Yeah. Sarah looked at me like, "What?" So embarrassing.
Okay, but here's the good news. This is exactly why we practice. By the end of today, you'll have real phrases ready. Let's fix this. So why do we freeze on simple questions like, how did you sleep? Here's the thing. It's not because your English is bad. It's because you don't have ready-made phrases prepared.
Right. I was trying to build a sentence from zero while tired on a Monday.
Exactly. The solution is simple. Learn phrases, not just words. When you have phrases ready, you don't need to think. You just speak. That's what we're doing today.
Okay, give me the phrases.
Let's go. Here's your toolkit for today. 3 lines. Memorize these. Number 1, your time buyer. When you need a moment to think, let me think. Number 2, your rescue line. If your sentence sounds wrong, what I mean is. Number 3, your natural reply to keep talking. What about you? Did you sleep okay?
Time buyer, rescue line, reply. 3 phrases. I can do that.
That's your safety net. Now let's learn how to actually talk about sleep. Before we practice conversations, let's learn the key phrases for talking about sleep. Then, when you sleep badly, what can you say?
I slept bad?
Close. I didn't sleep well, or I slept badly. Remember, sleep is an action, so we use well or badly, not good or bad.
Oh, right. I didn't sleep well. Got it.
Good. Now here are 3 levels of tired. Repeat these. I'm a little tired.
I'm a little tired.
I'm pretty tired.
I'm pretty tired.
I'm exhausted.
I'm exhausted. What does exhausted mean exactly?
Exhausted means extremely tired, like you have no energy at all. You could fall asleep right now.
Okay. A little tired, pretty tired, exhausted. 3 levels.
Perfect. Now, what if you couldn't fall asleep? The phrase is, I couldn't fall asleep. Let's slow that down. I couldn't fall asleep. 3 chunks. I couldn't fall asleep. The stress is on fall and asleep. I couldn't fall asleep.
I couldn't fall asleep.
Great. Use this when you went to bed, but sleep didn't come.
What if I woke up many times during the night?
Different phrase. I kept waking up. That means you woke up again and again.
I kept waking up. Okay, so couldn't fall asleep is at the beginning, kept waking up is during the night.
Exactly. Now let's use these in real conversations. I'm your coworker. Monday morning. Ready?
Ready.
Hey, Ben. Good morning. You look tired. Did you sleep okay?
Hey, yeah, not really. I didn't sleep very good. I mean, very well. I couldn't fall asleep until like 2 a.m.
Oh no, what happened?
I don't know. I was just, lying in bed. My brain wouldn't turn off.
I hate when that happens. So you're running on like 4 hours?
Yeah, something like that. I'm pretty exhausted.
Okay, let's stop there. Good job catching very good and changing it to very well. Now, I said running on 4 hours. What does that mean?
I think it means you only have 4 hours of sleep in your body.
Exactly. Running on means you're functioning with only that amount, like a car running on very little fuel. So, I'm running on 4 hours today means you got 4 hours of sleep and you're trying to survive the day.
Oh, that's useful. I'm running on 4 hours today.
Very natural phrase. Quick tip for everyone listening. Running on plus hours is something native speakers say all the time. Add it to your vocabulary.
Hey, if that tip was helpful, tap the follow button real quick. It helps more people find this podcast. Okay, keep going, Rachel.
New situation. This time you slept great. I'm your friend.
Nice. I like this version better.
Hey, you look good today. Did you sleep well?
Actually, yeah. I slept. Wait, no. I slept really well. I was out cold the whole night.
Nice. What's your secret?
Honestly, I was just so tired from the week, I fell asleep immediately. Didn't wake up once.
That's amazing. I'm kind of jealous.
What about you? Did you sleep okay?
Not really. I stayed up too late watching TV. Great conversation. You caught sleeped and fixed it to slept. Sleep, slept, slept. Irregular verb.
I always forget that one.
Now, you said I was out cold. This is a great informal phrase. It means you were sleeping very deeply. Nothing could wake you up.
Out cold. I like it.
And stayed up too late means you went to bed later than you should. Stay up means to not go to bed.
So I can say I stayed up too late last night. That's why I'm tired.
Perfect sentence. Let me give you a few more useful phrases. If you slept well, you can say, I slept like a baby.
What does that mean?
It means you slept very peacefully, very deeply, like a baby sleeps.
I slept like a baby. That's cute.
And one more. I got a good night's sleep.
I got a good night's sleep. That sounds very natural.
It is. Native speakers use this all the time. Okay, let's move to our rescue line of the day. Time for our fear-free rescue line of the day. One phrase you memorize for when you freeze.
What's today's line?
Sorry, I'm a bit tired today. What was the question again?
Oh, so you explain why you're slow and ask them to repeat. 2 things in one sentence.
Exactly. It's honest, polite, and gives you more time. Let's practice. Repeat after me slowly. Sorry,
Sorry,
I'm a bit tired today.
I'm a bit tired today.
What was the question again?
What was the question again?
The whole phrase now. Sorry, I'm a bit tired today. What was the question again?
Sorry, I'm a bit tired today. What was the question again?
Perfect. Here are 2 alternatives. Option 2 is, sorry, my brain is slow this morning. Option 3 is, sorry, I didn't sleep well. Can you say that again?
3 options. All natural, all polite.
Pick the one you like. Practice it until it's automatic.
I'm picking the first one. Sorry, I'm a bit tired today. That's literally me every day.
Same, Ben.
Okay, Ben, time for role play practice. This is where you actually use everything we learned. I'll be different people. You respond naturally. And remember, mistakes are part of this.
Okay, I'm a little nervous, but let's do it.
Good, that's real. Let's use it. First situation. You're at a coffee shop. You see a coworker. You look tired. Ready?
Ready.
Oh, hey. Wow, you look really tired today. Rough night?
Hey, yeah. I didn't... The sleep was not... Wait, that's not right. I didn't sleep well. I couldn't sleeping. No, I couldn't fall asleep until very late.
Oh no, what time did you finally fall asleep?
I think maybe like 3 a.m. I was just, lying in bed and my brain was thinking too much. What's the word? My brain wouldn't stop. Turn off?
Your brain wouldn't turn off. Yeah, I hate that.
Yes, my brain wouldn't turn off, so now I am very exhausted? I'm exhausted.
You should get some coffee. That might help.
Yeah, good idea. That's why I'm here. What about you? Did you sleep good? Well? Did you sleep well?
I slept okay, thanks. Hope you feel better.
Thank you. Have a good day.
Okay, let's review that. You made some mistakes, but you fixed them. That's exactly what we want. You said, I couldn't sleeping, and changed it to, I couldn't fall asleep. Good recovery.
It felt messy, though.
Real conversations are messy. You communicated. That's success. But let's try again. Same situation. This time smoother. Here we go. Coffee shop again.
Okay, I'm ready.
Hey, you look pretty tired today. Rough night?
Hey, yeah, I didn't sleep well. I couldn't fall asleep until like 3 a.m.
Oh no, what happened?
I don't know. I was lying in bed, but my brain wouldn't turn off, I kept thinking about work and stuff.
I hate when that happens. So you're running on like 4 hours?
Yeah, something like that. I'm pretty exhausted. Definitely need coffee today.
Well, you're in the right place. Hope the coffee helps.
Thanks. What about you? Did you sleep okay?
I slept like a baby, actually.
Oh, nice. I'm a little jealous.
Get some rest tonight.
I'll try. See you later.
That was so much better. Did you hear the difference?
Yeah, it felt more natural. I didn't panic as much.
You used I couldn't fall asleep, my brain wouldn't turn off, running on 4 hours, and slept like a baby. All phrases from today's episode.
And I asked, what about you, to keep the conversation going.
Perfect. That's the goal. You're not trying to be perfect, you're trying to communicate and recover quickly when you make mistakes.
I like round 2 better, but honestly, round 1 was also okay. I survived.
You did more than survive. You communicated. That's fluency. Quick cultural tip about sleep conversations. In American and British culture, how did you sleep is a very common small talk. People ask this at work, at home, with friends.
So it's not a deep personal question.
Not usually. It's like asking, how are you? People expect a short answer. Good, thanks. Not great, I'm tired. Pretty well, actually. You don't need to explain everything.
So I don't need to tell them about my dreams or what time I woke up.
Not unless they ask. A short answer is normal. And here's another thing. If someone looks tired, it's okay to say, you look tired in casual situations. It's not rude between friends or coworkers.
Really? In some cultures, that might be rude.
Right. But in English-speaking countries, it's usually just an observation. It often means, are you okay? Or do you need coffee? It's friendly, not critical.
Good to know. So if someone says, you look tired, I shouldn't be offended.
Exactly. Just say, yeah, I didn't sleep well, and move on. It's normal small talk. Let's review everything from today. I'll say a phrase, you repeat it. Ready?
Ready.
I didn't sleep well.
I didn't sleep well.
I couldn't fall asleep.
I couldn't fall asleep.
I kept waking up.
I kept waking up.
I'm running on 4 hours.
I'm running on 4 hours.
I slept like a baby.
I slept like a baby.
And our rescue line, sorry, I am a bit tired today. What was the question again?
Sorry, I'm a bit tired today. What was the question again?
Excellent. Now one pronunciation tip. The word exhausted. Listen carefully. It's not exhausted. It's exhausted. The X sounds like GZ. Exhausted.
Exhausted. Exhausted.
Perfect. And the stress is on the second syllable. Exhausted.
I'm exhausted. Did I say it right?
You did. Everyone listening, say it with us one more time. Exhausted.
Exhausted.
Great work. These phrases are now yours. Use them tomorrow.
All right, it's challenge time. We have a task for you.
Yes. Here's your fear-free challenge for this week. We want you to write a comment or send us a message. Tell us, how did you sleep last night? Use one phrase from today's episode.
Just 1 or 2 sentences. For example, I didn't sleep well. I kept waking up.
Or, I slept like a baby. I got a good night's sleep.
We read every comment, and if you make a mistake, we'll help you fix it. That's what we're here for.
And here's a super easy bonus question. Just answer with one word. Are you a morning person or a night person?
I'm definitely a night person. That's why I can't fall asleep.
I'm a morning person. I love early mornings.
We're opposites.
That's why this works.
Okay, everyone, that's our episode for today.
You learned how to talk about sleep in English. You have phrases when you're tired, when you slept well, and when you couldn't fall asleep.
You have a rescue line for when your brain freezes, and you practiced real conversations.
If this episode helped you, please follow the podcast. Tap subscribe, leave a review, and share it with a friend who's learning English. It really helps us reach more people.
And remember, you don't need perfect English. You need English that works.
Every time you practice, you get a little better. Every mistake teaches you something. That's how learning works.
So, go try these phrases. Talk to someone. Answer, how did you sleep without freezing?
You can do this. We believe in you.
You're doing amazing. Keep going.
We'll see you in the next episode.
Bye, everyone.